Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you some audio cables that you can buy from AliExpress for best deal. These are very high quality audio cables with a very decent price, and these are Ugreen audio cables, and these feels like very high quality, but the price of this is very decent. They are not cheap or not very expensive. So I have different kinds of audio cables here to make some sound system, and I will use these cables to connect subwoofer with my Bluetooth speaker. I have a Soundcore Boost speaker and also recently bought the Soundcore Motion Plus. So sometimes I feel like I need more bass, so I decided to add a subwoofer. So I bought so many cables in my purpose, and they all have their own purpose to use. So let's see all of them. And first, this is the USB type C to audio 3.5mm jack. So USB type C to 3.5mm audio jack, and you can, when you touch it, you can feel the quality of the cable. It's very high quality cable, and the strain relief of the cable is very nice right here, and the cable is very soft and flexible. And these are braided cables, nylon braided cables, so fantastic cables. So next, it's also a audio cable, and it's 3.5mm to 3.5mm male connector, if you want to say this correctly, and one is right angled 90-degree angle, and one is straight, and this is also the same quality. Feels very soft, flexible, and also nylon braided cable. And this cable here is also used for same purpose, and it's also a 3.5mm to 3.5mm male connector, and you can see both end is same and it's straight. Now this cable is a different cable, and it's a 1 to 2 way splitter cable, and you can use this for connecting two headphones, and this is the cable I need. So I will make the video how to do that, how to connect a external subwoofer to your Bluetooth speaker. So stay tuned for that video, and please subscribe into my channel and support me. And this cable is a little bit different, but it's looks like more durable and very high end, and the braiding is like plastic fishing threads, so it's much more durable, I think, and looks absolutely fantastic. And all of the cables I'm showing you has metal casing. So okay, so now this one is an extension cable. You can see one end is 3.5 millimeter female connector and the other is 3.5 millimeter male connector, and it's white and same braided nylon braided cable. Just the 1 to 2-way splitter cable has different braiding. And last, this cable I don't have any use right now, and it is the cable for a microphone and a headphone. Most of the cables here have gold plated connectors, and the connectors are really high quality connectors, and this cable has microphone input support, and the rest of them are stereo. So that's all for this video right now. So I'll give you all the links in the description for the official store. So thank you guys for watching. So take care, bye.